Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places. Today we'll be doing degrees of comparison of adjective, right? So there are 3 degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative, that we'll be studying in our chapter. So let's just begin with this. The title of our chapter is Comparison of Adjectives, right? So you just compare your qualities with the qualities of your friend and just write. आप अपनी दोस्त के साथ अपनी qualities को compare करिए. This is your quality and this is your friend's qualities. You just write down over here, right? Now just read and understand. The dog is a small animal. Dog एक बहुत ही छोटा animal है. Cat is smaller than the dog. Cat जो है cut, वो dog से क्या cut, वो डॉग से छोटी है, राइट. माउस इज द स्मॉलेस्ट ऑफ ऑल दी 3 एनिमल्स में सबसे छोटा है. तो इन सेंटेंस 1 जो वर्ड स्मॉल है, इट बेसिकली डिनोट्स द जनरल क्वालिटी ऑफ अ डॉग, जैसे कि इट इज नोन एज अ पॉजिटिव डिग्री, राइट. इन सेंटेंस 2 द वर्ड स्मॉलर बेसिकली डिनोट्स द लोअर क्वालिटी ऑफ कैट देन द डॉग. भाई जो कैट है वो डॉग से और छोटी है, सो it is a comparative degree, right. And in sentence 3 the word smallest जो है word smallest basically denotes the lowest quality of mouse की सबसे छोटी quality of all the 3 animals, so it is a superlative degree of the adjective small, right. So thus degrees of adjectives are 3 and they are, the first one is positive degree. Positive degree मतलब उसकी simple form of an adjective, it is called the positive degree. So Rohit is a good boy and Neetu is a wise girl. Neetu एक बहुत ही ज्यादा nice girl है. Second one is comparative degree. When two things, जब दो चीजों को compare किया जाता है, we use the comparative degree. Rohit is better than Mohit. Rohit जो है मोहित से ज्यादा better है, right. Then Neetu is wiser than Preeti. Preeti से ज्यादा wise है. Third one is superlative degree. When one person or thing is compared to all the other persons, or you can say things of the same kind or class, we use सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. जैसे मोहित इज द बेस्ट बॉय इन द फैमिली, फैमिली में सबसे अच्छा लड़का है. नीतू इज द वाइजेस्ट गर्ल इन द क्लास. Now how can we form, this is formation of comparative and superlative degrees. So here we'll be studying positive, comparative and superlative. Fast का faster and fastest, right. Higher का higher and highest. Then it's long का longer and longest. Next one is old का older and oldest. Then the next one is poor का poorer and poorest. And then the next one is tall ka taller and then it's tallest. Wise ka wiser and wisest. Able ka abler and ablest, right. Beautiful, it's more beautiful and most beautiful. And difficult, it's more difficult and of course it's most difficult. कुछ एडजेक्टिव्स होते हैं, उनके कुछ ऑपोजिट्स होते हैं. जैसे क्लीन का डर्टी है, क्लेवर का स्टूपिड है, कोल्ड का हॉट, वी ऑल नो. क्रूअल का इट्स काइंड, डार्क का लाइट, कोई चीज डार्क है उसका लाइट. डीप का शैलो, इनोसेंट है तो वो गिल्टी है. जूनियर का सीनियर, वी ऑल नो. लार्ज का स्मॉल, लिविंग का डेड, लॉन्ग का छोटा हो गया और मच का लिटिल. क्लेवर का इट्स स्टूपिड, राइट. There is a short recap. The adjectives, they have 3 degrees of comparison, that is positive, comparative and superlative. There is an exercise. First we'll write the comparative and superlative degree of the following adjectives. Sad का क्या हो जाएगा, sadder. Then it's saddest, right. Thin ka it's thinner. Then it's thinnest, right. Many ka it's more. Then it's most. Happy ka of course it's happier. And again it's happiest, right. Poor ka poorer. And it's poorest. Late का later और later ही रहता है. Or you can write latest, right. Dirty का dirtier, it's dirtiest. Cold का colder, now it's coldest, right. Big का it's bigger, then it's of course biggest. Famous का more famous, and it's most famous, right. Old का it's older, oldest. Bad का it's worse and worst. You have to give the opposites for this. Easy का of course it's hard. Thin का it's thick. Thin का आप पतले का मोटा है ना, you can write fat. Let me erase this. Poor ka it's rich. Sharp ka blunt. Ugly ka it's beautiful. Stupid ka it's clever. Right? Hot ka cold. Wet it's dry. Lie का truth, young का old, small का क्या होता है big, and low का high. So that was all about that we have studied. I hope you all understood this. Please keep revising and stay blessed. And apart from that, do revise the previous concepts and please keep reading each day so that you can have a good command over vocabulary, as well as it will enhance your writing as well as your speaking skills. And of course, you are able to solve your reading comprehensions at a much more faster pace than you usually do. Please keep smiling and stay blessed. Thank you.